Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and let's proceed to unpack this Gunpla that I got from Aliexpress. Bear in mind that of course probably it's gonna be like a Chinese made rip-off imitation, but since that time they bought the Gotham City skyline from Lego. I paid £65 instead of £350 from Aliexpress. I'll give it a try every now and then buying these things. So let's open this side. Yeah, that one cost me £65 plus another £100 for a cabinet to store in, and another £50 for the lights. But still, I'll still save a good £300 on the full price from Lego. So let's see what I get with this one. This one cost me about £7.50. Delivery included because it was part of a bulk order with other things. And you know, Aliexpress, if you do an order of £8, they give you free delivery on all the items. Couple of weeks delivery time, which is fair and wrong. I guess so far with that. There we go. In all its glory, RX-93 fighter by unit on mirror ray. They call it bull for some reason on the description on Aliexpress, but yeah, that's the one I got. That's the side of the box. All the things included, and hopefully it's got the base as well. Last one I go at the base. I did an original master grade. It doesn't come with the base. I had to play the base separate. And this one, these Chinese guys, they sell a base. I don't know what happens with the high grade, the originals, if they give you a base or not. But yeah, that's the box. All in I guess it's Chinese. I might not upset someone and maybe it's Japanese, but no, Chinese and Japanese. We got both sides, hopefully, or maybe I'm completely wrong. I'm not good. I just use Google lenses on my phone, Google Translate, and I guess we through the instructions. See what we got here. Oh, okay, it's all in one bag. Everything is in one bag. I can see lots of different sprues, different materials. There's soft plastic, hard plastic, white plastic, yellow plastic. I can see that the one composed and multi blends, they're done separate instead of being molded together. Yeah, loads of things there. Decals, only a couple of decals. That's gonna be easy. After doing the master grade, after doing the instruction pack. Okay, that's quite specific. Parts for the head, parts for the body, arms, waist, legs, and weapons. Okay, weapons is going to be the last one to be used anyway. Instruction and picture and package may vary from true merchandise. Wow. Let's open it. Let's open it up a look. I mean, for £7.50, what do you expect for £7.50? That's two sets of instruction. One is instruction for the weapons. This is the weapon system. Okay, weapon system. Quite clear. Oh, there's also some English, which is good. On the Japanese ones you don't get any English at all, so especially when you have small little things that say do the same on the other side, and be careful not to cut this bit. And every time you need to get your phone out to double check what they say. Oh, that helps a bit. Okay, that's how to more customized mobile suit for new type. Model number RX-93, 22 meter tall, 27 tons, 63 quintals, I guess. So 6 tons. That's quite light. I mean, if it's 22 meters long, it weighs 6 tons. It's like a 3-foot size cars, you know. Of course, no, my car is lighter than that. My little Ferrari there, I haven't got. Yeah, I wish I had a Ferrari. Anyway, okay, that's instruction number 1. Instruction number 2, actually, is the other way around. This is the basic instruction. The other one is the weapons. Same again. Parts in. This is Japanese. Parts in Japanese. Oh, the head is pre-assembled. Oh no, there's pages inside. Okay, head made of 5-6 pieces. Oh, cool enough. Yeah, nice and clear. Plenty of pictures, plenty of step-by-step instructions. Yeah, I like that. Panels, probably there's not much as in lines to be panel lines in the thing. I really don't feel like yet doing panel scribing. I'm not to the level of OCD yet, but CDO, like I always say, in alphabetical order, CDO, and I'm gonna just do some black panel lining on lines already existing. So let's have a look at the spruce. What we got here. Okay, this is softish plastic. It's not too hard. Nice quality. I cannot see any misprints or any extra bits that need to be filed off. There's quite a few lines for panel lining anyway. I don't complain. That's alright. That's quite cool. I thought it would have been soft plastic, but no. It's like probably articulations. Well, no point me trying to guess what these things are. I think it's gonna come through with the instructions. Oh, that's another little set of stickers. I mean, the cut of the stickers seems right. Yeah, all the way at the back. Yes, right. It's a decent shiny plastic sticker. Let's put it on the side. Some white. As we see, yeah, there's not much in the wheel paneling, but still. So you're gonna have a bit of fun with it. Yeah, I can. Little bit of extra here. Nothing that doesn't. Even with a nail, you take it off. Anyway, it's quite soft. This plastic, so it's gonna be very easy to work on. It's not brittle. It feels like it's quite rubbery to the feel, I would say. Like, you know what I mean. It's just a nice soft plastic. These, of course, the red is a bit harder, and that's the hips probably. Oh, that's cool. Part of the wings. I've got 2 extra bits in there. I don't know where they're coming from. Oops. Yeah, same material as the other one. Let's go. Stop in there. With the rifle. That's the base. That's the very simple, very basic. is a basic base. That would be so you need. I mean, you just put it up somewhere. At least you can strike some poses. It's got a base with two attachments. I would imagine one is to support the wings at the back. We'll see once it's finished. That came from here. And then a couple of yellows. Okay, it's not like when you buy original gunpla. It's all nice together. Also, the same space to fit everything in a nice little package. And it's all ready to go. That's fine. That's fine by me, no big deal. You see some pieces a little bit detached, but I don't mind as long as there's no stress marks. That's right, it's soft plastic anyway. There won't be much stress marks. And this color is a bit strange. It's not the color. I mean, I was watching Gundam 40 years ago when I was a kid, and I'm only familiar with a normal RX-93 Nu. This is probably an evolution. They must have changed color and things. I don't know too much about this one, but I'm willing to learn. I'm always open to learn. As the sticker we saw earlier, that's parts. This is okay. This is same as the white one, rubbery, not too soft. I was expecting there would have been a piece of a softer plastic for articulations and stuff, but that's alright. And then we got some, I guess this is the eyes, probably is the eyes of the Gundam or somewhere around there. And the shield that looks like an Egyptian god, really. And the blades for the swords, a couple of loose pieces that fell from the other boxes. Good thing is everything came inside the pack anyway, so even if something was loose, it's not lost. It's still there, it's just loose but not lost. So yeah, I'm gonna start building this one, maybe not the next project but the following one, and then I'll keep you up to date. So it goes. So far for £7.50, it cannot go wrong, my friends. Cannot go wrong. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for coming back to the channel, and if you really haven't got anything to do in the next 3 seconds, press that like button for me. Thank you guys. See you next time.